Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to buy from Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to buy anything from Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app. So once you open your Shein app, you'll end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the item you want to purchase. So once you tap on the item, you can go in the subsection from where you can simply select the item you want to choose from different various options given. So once you have selected the item, you will be selecting the size or color or anything like that and tap on the add to cart option. Once you do so, you have to tap on the cart section. So once you're in the cart section, now you need to simply tap on the checkout option. So after you tap on checkout, you will end up in this interface where you need to type in your shipping address, like your first name, last name, your phone number, and your address as well. So once you have typed in your correct address for shipping, you need to hit the save button. After doing this, your shipping address will also be saved. Now you need to simply choose a payment method or apply a gift card if you have any. So once you select a payment method, hit the continue button and hit on the payment method selected, and then you will be redirected to the page where you need to type in your credentials of your payment account. After doing this, you need to follow the on-screen prompt to buy from Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.